Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Mizoram Education Hub. In this video, modern Indian history questions came on in. Can practice dona. Total 100 questions are there. These 100 questions are very important for your upcoming examinations. And cutoff 42 came on kasiyam. If you are scoring more than 42, it means you are in safe zone. Okay. And if you are visiting this channel for the first time, just subscribe this channel and video trying to more in like nge donya in scores at point do chuan comment section in share thai. So here is the first question. In which year the Danish East India Company was formed? So in which year? 1616 is correct answer. 17th May. Okay, 17th May 1616 was the year. Saying Danish East India Company in first factory khoyange and established. The place was Tranqueber. Tranqueber. Emihit Tamil Nadu Omanio. And in addition with this, Sevampur. Sevampur. This is in West Bengal. So two factories and open and establish Hami Danish East India Company in. Masing questions also he explains because 100 questions are there. Now second question. The resolutions on fundamental rights and national economic policy were passed in which of the following sessions of the INC? So it's correct answer. Nang manin in Shia Chuan, Zia Klazelula Dulemo A4 paper or rough copia 100 serial numbers in Zia Kanga and in answers in Du Chuan he mokte sang doin mo in Zia Klazel donya and a nuwa in Chekle donya. Okay. Its answer is hey, resolution on fundamental rights and national economic policy were passed in which session? Its correct answer is Karachi session 1931. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, SVP, he was the president. Now, next question. Arrange the following event in the order of their chronology. August Offer Pune Pact Third Round Table Conference. So here is the years. August Offer 1940. Pune Pact signed between whom? Mahatma Gandhi and B.R. Ambedkar. Through 1932. But month is important because TRTC pohi, third round table conference pohi 1932 book. But the difference is that November. Okay. FRTC tan kan zia klokang in FRTC, SRTC and TRTC an year kazia kanga. Hey, just for the sake of revision. Okay. 1930 atrangin 31 November to January. Okay. So second round table conference 1931, third round table conference 1932. So chronological order enge aniton. First 1932 September and yeah, this is first. So 1932 November 2nd and August offer 3rd aniton. So 231. 231 is correct answer of this question. Option number 2nd. Okay, 231. Who founded the Ramakrishna mission in 1896 to carry on humanitarian relief and social work? Its correct answer is Swami Vivekananda. Okay, Swami Vivekananda is correct answer of this question. And year in Shiachuan Achalatuka. Question number 5. Which among the following viceroys was associated with the Ilbert Bill controversy? Ilbert Bill controversy. Its correct answer is C. Lord Ripon. Lord Ripon, also known as Eng, father of local self-government in India, who replaced the Vernacular Press Act of 1878. So Lord Ripon is correct answer. Okay. Subhash Chandra Bose was re-elected as president of INC at the Tripuri session in 1939 by defeating Gandhiji's candidate. Gandhiji na do milawa Subhash Chandra Bose hi awin se. Okay, so Gandhiji's candidate katumo Pattabhi Sitaramaiya. This is the correct answer. A protest na savelum. The pioneer of communism in India was none other than M.N. Roy, Manabendra Nath Roy, okay, founder of Communist Party of India, Hemi Poi Atra, Communist Party of India, CPI. Which one of the following was the most controversial measure of Lord Mountbatten? Partitioning of Punjab and Bengal, holding of a referendum in the Northwest Frontier Province, setting up an executive council comprising of Indians alone, and the last one is advancing the date of transfer of power from June 1948 to August 1947. So its correct answer is advancing the date of transfer of power from June 1948 to August 15, 1947. So D is correct answer of this question. Both the processes of transfer of power and the partition of India were hurried through in dash days. So 72, okay, 72 is correct answer. Question number 10. The Swaraj party was divided into factions after the death of C.R. Das, and its responsivists faction worked for or by safeguarding the Hindu interests by cooperating with the British government. This option is very much correct. Okay. And responsivists to Tingekha, Lala Lajpat Rai Anya, and N.C. Kelkar, Madan Mohan Malviya. Question number 11. Which among the following great revolutionaries was the brain behind the Chittagong Armory raid? So its correct answer is Surya Sen. Okay, Surya Sen. IRA conducted this raid, and IRA enge Indian Republican Army. Okay. Question number 12. The revolutionary organization Abhinav Bharat Society was founded in 1904 by whom? Its correct answer is V.D. Savarkar. Vinayak Damodar Savarkar is correct answer. And English in Young India Society. Now, question number 13. Who among the following was popularly known as Frontier Gandhi? Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan is correct answer of this question. Now, next question. Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar was the great 19th century social reformer who waged a struggle for or against which of the following social cause? Its correct answer is widow remarriage. Widow remarriage is correct answer. Neil Darpan by Dinbandhu Mitra portrays the plight of what? Indigo planters. Okay, indigo planters is correct answer. The first British presidency in India was established at Surat. Surat is the right answer. Who planted the tree of liberty at Srirangpatnam? Okay, who planted the tree of liberty at Srirangpatnam? Its correct answer is Tipu Sultan. Option B is correct answer. Which Indian mass movement began with the famous Dandi March of Mahatma Gandhi? So C is the correct answer. Civil disobedience movement. Okay. Tiang thil hi in practice nga and just revision ang anime short note ang in siyam zelang who presided over Karachi session of Indian National Congress where the resolutions on fundamental rights and national economic policy were passed. I mean, he came on atir lama kanang law totro Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Yes, now repeat len he poilo but poilo. Arrange the following events or movement in the correct order of their chronology. Rowlatt Act Satyagraha, Rowlatt Act Satyagraha, Civil Disobedience Movement, Boycotting of Simon Commission, Quit India Movement. Ani pakateten year kasi anga 1919 niya Rowlatt Act Satyagraha. Juan Civil Disobedience Movement hemi hi 1930. Okay, boycott of Simon Commission 1928 and Quit India Movement 1942. So chronological order don taila hemi first and don Rowlatt Act, then 1928 boycott of Simon Commission, so 1930 Civil Disobedience Movement, and last one is Quit India Movement. 1324. So option B is correct answer. Who founded the association Naujawan Bharat Sabha to help foster revolution against the British Raj by gathering together worker and peasant youth in 1928. So its correct answer is Bhagat Singh. Okay, Bhagat Singh is correct answer. Who among the following attended all three roundtable conferences held in London? So two person, Tule two, B.R. Ambedkar and Tez Bahadur Sapru. 2 and 3 is correct answer. B.R. Ambedkar and Tez Bahadur Sapru. New India and Commonweal newspapers were started by whom? So 23. Its correct answer is Annie Besant. Which of the following statements is correct are correct regarding the Quit India movement? It was a leaderless movement with the reins of the movement in the hand of the masses. It was also characterized by the outbreak of violence, though Gandhiji had given a call for a determined but passive resistance, do or die. The movement fell in terms of achieving immediate objective. So its correct answer enge ani don. Correct regarding antitra all these three. So 1, 2, and 3. All statements are correct. Socio-religious reform movements in Western India were led by some very illustrious personalities. The incorrect statement in this context is Gopal Hari Deshmukh was one of the earliest religious reformers who rationally attacked Hindu orthodox beliefs. Second option, Bal Gangadhar Tilak was a great Indian nationalist who revived the faith of Indians in their rich cultural heritage by celebration of Shivaji and Ganesh. Third option, Dr. Atmaram Pandurang and Justice Ranade founded the Prarthana Samaj in Maharashtra, inspired by the Brahma Samaj and espousing principle of enlightened theism based on the ancient Vedas. And last option is Justice Ranade and Pandita Ramabai, who were pioneers of women's education in India. So its correct answer is the last one. Justice Ranade and Pandita Ramabai were pioneers of women's education in India. Option D is correct answer. In the tenure of the Governor General, an attempt was made for the first time to codify Hindu and Muslim customary laws. Its correct answer is Warren Hastings. Okay, Warren Hastings is correct answer of this question. In the light of event that occurred after the general election of 1937 and the subsequent formation of Indian ministries in various provinces, identify the statement which is incorrect. Congress was highly successful and Muslim League failed miserably. Congress emerged as the largest party in NWFP. Unionist Party and Krishak Praja Party formed governments in Punjab and Bengal, respectively, and Pirpur report was prepared by Jinnah to highlight the atrocities and misrule of Congress ministries. Its correct answer is Pirpur report was prepared by Jinnah to highlight the atrocities and misrule of Congress ministry. So D is correct answer of this question. The only session of INC which is presided by Mahatma Gandhi, Belgaum. This is very common question. Belgaum is correct answer. 1924. Okay, 1924. Question number 29. So the following personalities were the founder of Home Rule Movement. Home Rule Movement founders Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Annie Besant. 1 and 2 is correct. Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Mahatma Gandhi, Anivelawa. Which among the following were or was related to Governor General William Bentinck? Okay, William Bentinck. Regulation 17. Regulation 17 here. Regulation 17 is nothing but difference. Bengal Sati Regulation. Khani mai. Amahun layan pasa hami regulation here. Regulation 17. Committee of Public Instruction, Macaulay's Minute, and Presidency of Agra. So, what is the answer of this question? All four. Okay, all four. Chonthil Pakhatle, Evolution of Thagi. Hemi pohi option in Muchuan, none other than this Governor General, Lord William Bentinck. Next question. Consider the following policies followed by Governor General of for the expansion of their dominions and consolidation of their rule during the three stages of the process of the growth of British paramountcy in India. Subordinate isolation, policy of subordinate union. Which of the following is correct sequence of their adoption in the course of establishment of British rule in India? Policy of ring fence and Mizoram, subordinate isolation, and after that policy of subordinate union. It means first two, second, first, and third. Pathum na 2 and 3 option throw. Yes, B is correct answer of this question. Now, question number 32. What was the name of the first newspaper to announce the partition of Bengal on July 6th, 1905? So the name of that newspaper was what? Sanjeevani. Okay, Sanjeevani is correct answer. In which country Indian Independence Committee was formed during British era? Germany. Germany is the correct answer. After that, question number 34. In which year Landholders Society was established in India? Landholders Society. Okay, Landholders Society. 1838 is correct. And after that, under which among the following act civil services started in India? So, Chartered Act 1833 is correct answer. Which among the following is called Magna Carta of English education? So Wood's Dispatch. This is also a very common question. And Chimizawa, who among the following founded the Depressed Classes Mission of India? Depressed Classes, Malay. So Vittal Ramji Shinde is correct. Question number 38. Who among the following was the founder of the Paris Indian Society? So Paris Indian Society, Emi Pohilara, Bikaji Kama. Which among the following organization published the journal called Indian Sociologists? India House. Okay, India House is correct answer. Question number 40. Who among the following is called the father of nationalism in India? Nationalism in India, Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Okay, Hemihi Adhika. Who among the following was the president of British Indian Association that was founded in 1851? 1851. Its correct answer is Radhakant Deb. Who among the following gave the safety valve theory for INC? Okay, safety valve theory for INC. Lala Lajpat Rai. Who among the following was the head of arbitral tribunal set up at the time of India's independence? Okay, so 43 answer is William Patrick Spence. William Patrick Spence is very much correct answer. Who among the following was the first non-Congress Chief Minister of India? Non-Congress Chief Minister of India. EMS Nabudripadhi, correct answer. Ani which of the following was the immediate cause of Quit India movement? Immediate of Quit India movement. Failure of Hemihi. Cripps mission. This is correct answer. Who among the following did not vehemently protested the withdrawal of the non-corporation movement after Chauri Chora incident? Jawaharlal Nehru is correct answer. Who among the following said that the Rowlatt Act is a preventive murder? So who was the person? Who was the personality? Its correct answer is Edwin Samuel Montague. Okay, this is correct. C is correct. Which among the following cities saw the first intense of satyagraha in India? So first intense of satyagraha in India to do something for the indigo planters. Who among the following persuaded Mahatma Gandhi to come to Champaran? Its correct answer is Rajkumar Shukla. Which among the following was the first revolutionary organization of Bengal? Anushilan Samiti. New Lamps for All was written by Aurobindo Ghosh. Aurobindo Ghosh is correct. Who among these is thought of as pioneer of economic nationalism? R.C. Dutt. Responsivists class of leaders belong to Swarajists. Okay. Tiang question here lau chuak trina and lau chuak le thei bok. Various corporative societies of agriculturists and agricultural banks were established. Money lenders had refused to advance loan to peasant. This is correct answer. Chimizwa, all the following announcements were made at Delhi Darbar in 1911 except one. Identify that one. Transfer of capital from Calcutta to Delhi. Annulment of partition of Bengal. Separation of Bihar, Orissa and Chota Nagpur from Bengal's jurisdiction, an election of Indians to the various legislative council in India. So identify that one, Antyatro. The last one, this is the correct answer. Election of Indians to the various legislative council in India. Next question. After independence, from which year India bought its distinctive coins? I am question it distinctive coins 1950 at Rangin. In which year India office of the Secretary of State for India and Burma came to an end? And C is the correct answer. 1947. In which year Liaquat Nehru Pact was signed? Emi Pohilara 1950. The Rajiv Gandhi action plan put forward by the late leader in 1988 is related to which among the following? Nuclear disarmament. Okay, nuclear disarmament. Kandaghat, a heritage railway station made entirely of wood and built by British in 1903, was destroyed in fire. Hemi question important verol tukaniya. In which state this railway station was located? So Himachal Pradesh. This is very means good question. Exam takachu aktoa. Who among the following is known for the famous quote, an uncontrolled pen serves but to destroy? Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi is correct answer. Question number 62. Who among the following rulers of Bengal has issued a coin named Zurb or Zurbe Murshidabad? Answer is Murshid Kuli Khan. Okay, Murshid Kuli Khan. Who among the following made a statement of end or strike after the famous RIN mutiny of 1947 at Kolkata? Muhammad Ali Jinnah is the correct answer. Under which of the following INA Comrades Officers Training School for INA officers was opened in 1943? So Habib ur Rahman. Okay, Habib ur Rahman. On July 31st, 1937, Gandhi had published an article in the Harijan. Based upon this article, an All India National Education Conference was held on October 23 and 22 and 23, 1937, which was called the Wardha Education Conference. All of the following resolutions were taken at the Wardha Education Conferences except one. Identify that from the given option. Free and compulsory education to be provided for 7 years at a nationwide scale. Mother tongue should be the medium of instruction throughout this period of 7 years. The education should be focused around India's rich culture, heritage, and proud history. This system would generate the remuneration of the teachers. This is the correct answer. Throughout this period of 7 years, the education should be focused around India's rich culture, heritage, and proud history. Before Mahatma Gandhi, who among the following had devised the doctrine of passive resistance by leading a no rent campaign? The form of non-payment of the taxes is it would breach the legal obligation and will be a defiance of the administrative authority. Its correct answer is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Okay, Bal Gangadhar Tilak was that person. At which among the following places national flag was hoisted for the very first time in India? Kolkata. Okay. 68. At what at which among the following places Jayaprakash Narayan had convened the first All India Congress Socialists Conference in 1900? Okay. Question number 69. At which among the following conferences a 34-point revolution was passed by which the Indian National Army was made subordinate? Emi question pohi achuak ngunlutuk. Okay, 69. Himo achuak ngunlutuka. Its correct answer is Bangkok Conference. Many examinations achuaka hemi question pohi. Vanguard was the daily publication of which among the following political parties or organization? So Radical Democratic Party. Okay, Radical Democratic Party is correct. India after the war will become a running sore, which will sap the strength of British Empire. Who among the following had expressed this thought? The 71 answer is Lord Wavell. Okay, Lord Wavell. Tiang tili in ziak zelanga. In Shia Chuna Chalutugan ya Kasoiledon. In Shia Chuan, in Remember Chuan at Chalutu. Masing in Lashiat Ngai Chuan, and if you are reading or just seeing all these questions for the very first time, if you are reading these questions and options, oh, for the very first time, kaya tak in Duchan in Ziak te kopia. Okay. And in revise latin akina. This before examination. The effort of which among the following leaders were successful passing of the Bombay Primary Education Act. So Vittal Bhai Patel, mi Pohilara, who among the following leaders unsuccessfully introduced a bill in the Imperial Legislative Council to make compulsory primary education for children of 6 to 10 years in the British era. So Ram Krishna Gokhale. Gopal Krishna Gokhale is correct answer. Consider the following indigo, opium like cotton, and yeah, for which among the above commodities the peasants were forced to grow in India, making the British more and more rich. Its correct answer is cotton at Telvelau. Indigo and opium will be right answer. First two options are correct. Okay. Chumisa, 75. Which among the following was the most important reason behind the increased debt burden in India in the last 100 years of the British rule? So, British capital investment is correct answer. Option C is correct answer. There were three people, okay? There were three people in the INC, Indian National Congress, whose influence and persuasion led to a sort of agreement between INC and British, which led to talks between Gandhiji and Lord Irwin, commonly known as Gandhi-Irwin Pact. Who among the following four given options was not among these three? And question Pohin Duchun in Martaya. Purushottam Das PD Tandon is correct answer. Okay. Hemimo. Option number D is correct. These three were there. Masing pali nahi talvela. Question number 77. Consider the following recommendation of a committee in pre-independence era. Okay, short-term measurement, primary health center per 40,000 population, three beds, three sub-centers, and two medical officer. Long-term program, primary health units with a 75 bedded hospital per 10,000 to 20,000 population, secondary health unit with 650 bedded hospital, regional health units with 2500 beds. This committee had triggered the public health reforms in India. Identify the name of this committee from the given option. So Jackson Committee, Bering Committee, Bohr Committee, none of them. Bohr Committee. Okay, Bohr Committee is the correct answer. This question is good in remember Danya. Question number 78. Till which of the following year the appointment of civil services were exclusively done by the directors of the East India Company? So 1853. Okay, 1853. This question is also good. Which among the following event led the British government of Lord North to undertake a legislation to meet the situation and provide some form of legal government for the Indian possessions of the East India Company, which resulted in Regulating Act of 1773. So the officers of East India Company were indulged in all sorts of corruption. East India Company was facing fears from the native princes of India. The competition with the French East India Company had almost finished the business of British East India Company. East India Company had become almost insolvent. So its correct answer will be East India Company had become almost insolvent. Okay, this is the correct answer. Question number 80. After which among the following events the cabinet mission plan was thought to have become defunct? Call for a direct action day by Muslim League, boycott of Muslim League for of the Constituent Assembly, the formation of the interim government, at least declaration. So its correct answer will be at least declaration. After the permanent settlement, what fraction of the revenue derived by the zamindars to the company was to be remitted? 89. Maseng Few books are 90% Antya and 89. So it varies book to book. 89 in Muchon, 89 in Tikanga, 19 Muchon, 90 in Tik Maidan. Yeah. Question number 82. After the Hindustan Republican Association, HRA was renamed as HSRA. Yes. A central committee was formed. Who among the following was from Bihar in this central committee? So, Bihar in this central committee, its correct answer will be P.N. Ghosh. Okay, P.N. Ghosh. About which of the following books Mahatma Gandhi has said that it brought about an instantaneous and practical transformation in my life. Unto this last is the correct answer. A manifesto known as Philosophy of the Bomb was bought out by which among the following organization? So HSRA throw option C is correct answer. Hey, Hindustan Socialist Republic Association is correct answer. There was only one genuine extremist in India, and that was Mr. Tilak. Who among the following had made this remark in the context of Bal Gangadhar Tilak? Edwin Montag. Okay, Edwin Montag is correct. Only madmen outside lunatic asylums could think or talk of independence. Who among the following had made this remark in context with the budding idea of Swaraj? Its correct answer is Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Question number 87. Who among the following was the president of INC at the time of independence? So, at the time of independence, J.B. Kripalani is correct. After the revolt of 1857, via the Government of India Act 1858, the Crown had assumed the direct responsibility for the government of India. By this act, all legislative, administrative, and financial powers came to be concentrated in which among the following? So secretary hemi secretary of state for India and his council. Okay, this is correct. Congress is in reality a civil war without arms. Who among the following made the above remarks in regard to Congress? Its correct answer is Sayyid Ahmad Khan. Sayyid Ahmad Khan. Consider the following facts about a pioneer social reformer of Maharashtra. He is widely considered to be the first journalist and editor in Marathi language. He started a weekly Bombay Darpan in 1832 and Digdarshan in 1840. His many works include the books in history and maths for children. Okay. So identify this personality from the given name. Jagannath Sheth nge Vishnu Shastri Bapat nge Krishna Shastri Chaplunkar nge Bala Shastri Jambhekar is correct answer. Now consider the following: French, British, Portuguese, and Dutch. The Battle of Swelly Hall of 1615 was fought between which among the above two? Yes, above anime. 91 answer will be what? This one, British and Portuguese. British one chakatro. Option B is correct answer. 2 and 3. In the name of which among the following Mughal emperor the East India Company struck the first coin in India? Farooq Shiar is correct. Question number 93. The Asian Empire of Portuguese was divided into three independent presidencies. Identify the correct state. Identify the correct set of these presidencies from the given options. Goa, Mozambique, Malacca, Goa, Madagascar, Mauritius. Option A, Goa, Mozambique, Malacca. Okay, Goa, Mozambique, Malacca. Option in which one? In Tikang. In the wake of partition of Bengal in 1905, Bengal saw some new movements such as boycott, Swadesi, national education, etc. Out of them, the boycott was inspired by most probably which among the following contemporary event? Boycotting of all foreign goods by Mahatma Gandhi in South Africa, boycott of American goods by Chinese, boycott of some English land agents by the Irish people, and boycott of Japanese products in China. So answer of this 94 question is boycott of American goods by Chinese. Okay, boycott of American goods by Chinese. This is correct answer. The first authoritative exposition of the extremist ideological position within the INC was penned down by which among the following as a series of article titled New Lamps for old in Bombay. Mi hi chin pokhan mi omto mi koshri vikat omto tirlama. Aurobindo Ghosh is correct answer. Yes, masing a sentence and tlaka that's why apelo. At which one of the following session, the INC adopted a significant resolution against the use of Indian troops in China, Mesopotamia, and Persia. Its correct answer is 1927 Madras session, agreeing to the fiscal autonomy to India. In which of the following years the British government established an Indian Fiscal Commission in the pre-independence era? So 97, 1919 is correct answer. Never before was perpetrated an act of injustice as flagrant as readjustment of the cotton duties in the favor of Lancashire. The above reaction against the imposition of Tariff and Cotton Duties Act of 1894 and 96 was given by which one of the following leaders? Bal Gangadhar Tilak. This is correct answer. Okay. A body like the Congress, which represent not the mass of population, but a single and very limited class, could not be called national. The above statement, Hamichu Aurobindo Ghosh. Aurobindo Ghosh. Who among the following founded the National Press, National Paper, National Society, National School, National Theatre, National Store, National Gymnasium, National Circus, making the term national popular in British India? So this is also examined mutaya below in which one? C in tick Maidanya. Nabagopal Mitra is very much correct answer. And few questions kalau bonasang. Which among the following was the first European nation to break through the Portuguese monopoly in the East? Netherlands is correct answer. Consider the following statement. The Ilbert Bill 1884 controversy caused the great racial cleavage in India prior to establishment of the INC. Viceroy Ripon actually desired to abolish the racial prejudice from the Indian Penal Code while introducing this bill. Its correct answer is both 1 and 2 are correct. Both statements are correct. Okay, so part 2 will be uploaded soon. Thank you so much for watching this video. Video I try and teach you helpful in teach one in low liking edonia and in do chun in trianta bula po in share. So next video and mula chodonia. Thank you so much.